Hello, so I'm Jonathan Fielding and I wanted to quickly show you how to use the new Performance Budget Calculator available at performancebudget.io. So firstly, what you want to do is consider how many seconds that you want your website to load in. I would normally go something like 2 seconds. And then you've got a variety of different internet connections. So I normally go for slow 3G. My websites are typically used in the UK, America, where a slow 3G is an acceptable speed to use. So I think calculate. So what this will do is it'll give you a budget of data that you should start rendering your page by. So your user should be able to start using the page in the budget. So it's only 192 kilobytes, so it's not much. And then what it does is it makes some suggested numbers. So these suggested numbers are based on the averages used across different websites. So like the average amount of CSS percentage, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So as my next website is not going to include any video, I can reduce this down, and that means I can increase my CSS a bit less because I want to make my website quite pretty, and my JavaScript as well. So JavaScript, cool. So if we click next. Now this next page will give us a breakdown. So it gives us a breakdown of the budget. So you can see I have broke down my budget. I've used the video set to 0 as I did, and then it gives you estimated load times. So we have these different connection speeds, and then we have the actual load times. If we click next, it then gives you the opportunity to download this as a Lighthouse budget config. This is a JSON file which is generated client side. It will allow you to use the Lighthouse CLI tool to test your budget in your CLI or inside your continuous deployments or integration system. This means that you could test a pull request before it even gets merged. So you can see regressions in performance on a pull request, and which is quite cool. If you just download that, it downloads the file. It's just called budget.json. Save that file, and we can actually view that quickly here inside Firefox. So you'll see all the numbers match what we selected in our budget. Cool. So that is Performance Budget IO. We also have some related reading. So these articles from people like Azi Osmani, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, Milika Hajar, which basically are really good articles on performance budgets. Great. So that's Performance Budget IO.